Transportation is all about safety, getting our kids to and from school safely. The first thing we do is we pre-trip our buses. We have our Zonar wand and we check in with our ID and tag, and it comes up. And then we have several stations that we check on our bus every morning. Things that you don't normally check on a daily basis if you're in a regular car. Everything that has a button, we check it. My routes right now cover a lot of special ed or TRACE programs. I drive anywhere from 55, but more likely 80 to 100 miles a day. The Z-Passes are pretty cool. So each student has an ID card and they will scan it getting on the bus and getting off the bus. So it's nice because parents can see where their students are, at what time. We're really lucky as bus drivers because we have dispatch. They're kind of like our lifeline. So if we have an emergency, a question, we'll call into dispatch. So fun facts about being a bus driver. You get to meet a lot of people, a lot of students. We always do a safety lecture and it teaches them how to exit a bus, where the emergency exits are, what I might ask them do. My favorite thing about being a bus driver is interacting with the kids. I'm typically the first person they see when they start their school route. So I want to be positive for them, let them know, hey, I'm listening, I care. I like to ask questions, get them engaged. That's fun. I have been gifted personal art from my students, which is always amazing and I keep. So yeah, it's fun.